This is part 2 of the other video, guys. I cut you off accidentally. Alright, there was a gaping hole there. It's leaking out there a little bit, but it'd be alright. That's 22 gauge steel. See, I got screws all in it to patch that hole. I wish I could put one right there, but I can't, because that's where the hole's at. So what I'm gonna do is, guys, when I get time here, hopefully soon, I gotta do this soon, I gotta weld this. And once I weld it, it'll be all sealed up. So, well guys, that's how you patch your muffler. I got about 50 bucks and all that. Because the sheet metal, I really don't know how much the sheet metal was, like 35 bucks maybe. And then I got this right here. This here was like 9 bucks. If you're out and about and you just patch up your muffler, and you just want it till you get to a muffler shop, things are just so expensive now, guys. That muffler right there was probably a couple $100 bucks. Now they're about 400 bucks. So what I'm doing is, I'm hoping I can catch one coming to the junkyard with a new exhaust on it. That'd be great, like I did with my Xterra. But the things you need, 10 snips. Those 10 snips won't do it. That metal's too thick. You gotta have a grinded disc. And don't buy these DeWalt blades. Them DeWalt blades are junk. You see that. I don't know if you can get these blades anymore, guys. I'm gonna show you these blades. I got them at Home Depot for like 90 cents a piece. I don't know if they quit making them. There's the name of them right there if it'll focus. Oh, let me turn my light on. See that? That's the name of it. Adventi Pro. It's AV. A as in Adam, V as in Victor, A as in Adam, N as in Nelly, T as in Thomas, I as in I don't know, Iran, P as in Pro, R as in Robert, O as in oh boy. And they had these here. These are 5-inch blades, guys. These here, I don't know what them are. 4.5-inch blades. That's what it's saying. These blades are solid, guys, and they last for a long time. And I bought 10 of them. I don't remember how many they had, but I bought 10 of them just so I can. I was like, I'll buy 10 of them. I wish I'd have bought every one they had. These here blades, the Harbor Freight blades, they'll cut. These DeWalt blades, if you just need a cut for a few minutes, fine. DeWalt blades, but these are the blades. These are the way to go. I only use them there on the bigger stuff because they last longer. Small stuff, or if I need to burn something up, I got a ton of Harbor Freight. I got a ton of Harbor Freight stuff. Those things don't last long. Just cutting one of these steel panels, burns it up. Just one. You only get one use out of it. Burns up a Harbor Freight blade. So guys, I got it quiet now compared to what it was. That'll buy me some time. And like I said, here soon, that there'll hold me off probably for about a good 6 months. And then hopefully by then I'll have me an exhaust. And what I'm gonna do is, I gotta get it inside though first. I gotta get it inside here. I'm just so far behind, guys, because I'm so busy right now. It's just unbelievable how busy I am right now. Because I need as soon as I get this thing out, then I got a solid ground to work on. Then I can get that thing up higher. And then I can get up under my welder and just weld it all up. And then hopefully between now and then, one of these will come in a junkyard with a good exhaust. I went to a junkyard that had 3 of them. One of them, somebody already took the exhaust. The other one, the exhaust was rotted at the muffler. So if that didn't have a kink in the back of it, it comes out just a little bit and starts kinking up. If that didn't have a kink in it, I would have done cut it off and just bought another muffler and a pipe and just welded it all back together. But it is what it is. All right, guys. Well, that's how you patch a muffler. It just by, you know, a lot of people, they get holes in their mufflers and, you know, they don't realize that they can fix it. You could probably, they had cheaper steel there, guys. It probably bought you a couple of months. Like 26 gauge steel is a lot easier to work with, and you could just screw it and be done with it. But you might get 2 to 6 months out of it, and if that's all you need, great. I got this here still because I got other things I'm gonna do with the little pieces that are left. So, all right, guys. Well, like this video, share this video. Sorry, there's 2 parts to it, but my phone cut off on me. So, all right, guys. Well, until the next time, bye-bye.